This has been an amazing event for us. We're a fantastic team here, obviously great booth, one-on-one meetings, also, great learnings from other booths.
We were able to learn a lot about the efficiency gains and how making every penny and every second count and how important that is to the industry. And we're going to be able to take that information back, improve our product, improve our use cases and our overall approach to the marketplace.
I think they are really well-run events. We also had a speaking session, so we had one of our customers on stage, and I think that went well, and also all the meetings that were scheduled for us were really good meetings.
Generis did a great job sort of scheduling these meetings. These meetings were very high quality with great personas in specific, and I would love to attend again next year.
I think this has been a great opportunity for us to hear what organizations are looking for, what's important to them. Really had a lot of time to interact.
We thought the meetings were fantastic. We had some really great conversations with some great organizations. They were telling us about the upcoming projects they had, so it really gave us some insight into projects we probably wouldn't have heard about until it was too late.
This is one of the most unique shows we've ever been to. The fact that you guys actually set appointments for us and engage the delegates, we think that's very valuable.